Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. This video is about the things that look like Among Us and its popularity in United States. We'll know more about it, but before moving forward, I would love if you like this video, share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. So as you all know, Among Us is a very famous game which is also known as the imposter game, in which you need to find the imposter and you can play online with your friends or with people from all over the world. And it has gained its popularity in the recent times of global pandemic, where people were locked in their houses and had no other choice but to explore different games. And as people explored more about it, Among Us came out to be as a very interesting and a very entertaining game for people to play while in the lockdown. So there are not just the game that has gained popularity, but there have been other things that are gaining popularity on the internet, and especially in places like United States. People from the United States have been looking for objects that look like the Among Us crewmate and has been spotting them and making memes on them. So the things that look like Among Us basically means that whatever you find in your real life, you match it with a crewmate of Among Us and make a meme out of it. So the web is a very wide place where people can upload and share their opinions openly, and this has given the chance for Among Us meme to come forward. This meme, as many people are looking for images which are similar to the crewmate, and after some searching for it at their home, work, or any other place, there they are trying to make a meme out of it and are uploading it online. So some of the popular memes that include are crewmate on us, Among Us, imposter dog, Among door, I'm insane, I cannot take this anymore, seriously I cannot, that is it. These are some of the most famous quotes that have been posted online. So the bottom line of it comes to, as it is exciting for people to see and find what they are looking for, they have also included it as expressing their anger and expressing their opinions online. So also, after getting into the deep of these things, we can be sure of one thing, that memes can come out of anything and can be very interesting when it comes to online uploadation of them, and when it comes to people running and finding things that can be interesting and intriguing in terms of a game, and also in terms of a meme that can be uploaded online. These memes are unique and somehow have not failed to entertain people all over the world. So that's it for today, guys. This was all about things that look like Among Us. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. Thank you and have a nice day.